Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to add your brother to your family members on Facebook. This simple process will help you showcase your family connections and make your profile more personal. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down this menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the options provided. This will take you to a detailed settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Facebook account. Under the Audience and Visibility section, tap on Profile Details. This is where you can edit and customize the information displayed on your profile, including your family relationships. Scroll down to the Family Members section and tap on Add Family Member. This is where you can add relatives to your profile, making it easier for friends and family to see your connections. Now, search for your brother's name in the search bar that appears. As you type, Facebook will suggest names based on your friends list. Select your brother's name from the list to ensure you're adding the correct person. Once you've selected your brother, choose Brother from the relationship options provided. This defines how Facebook will display this connection on your profile. Finally, tap Save to confirm the addition. Note that your brother will need to accept this relationship request before it is fully visible on your profile. This is similar to sending a friend request, and it ensures that both parties agree to the relationship being publicly displayed. By following these steps, you can easily add your brother to your family members on Facebook, enhancing your profile and strengthening your online family bonds. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media platforms. Thanks for watching and enjoy connecting with your family on Facebook.